malo, malo. Casi no ando en nombre, hoy quiero probarlo. Sé que tú quieres, dame con el palo. Y si tú te atreves, te traje un regalo. La chica mala quiere un chico malo. Esta gitana te tiene bellaco. Yo sé que tú quieres averiguarlo. Yo sé que tú tienes todo caro, caro. La chica mala quiere un chico malo. Esta gitana te tiene bellaco. Yo sé que tú quieres averiguarlo. Yo sé que tú tienes todo caro, caro. Mala, 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 mala,
Yeah, I'm so dead. By the way, for all of y'all asking what size I got a C 300. I got a C 300. This shit's big. Stop playing. I couldn't even get up, my nigga. Talia, help me get up.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Just so I could show them through the shirt. Oh, fucking shit.
Es una viejita.
Literally. And that's literally like full C. And this is a black shirt. You can barely see it over here. You can literally barely see it through the shirt. You cannot see it through the shirt.
You gotta see it in person.
Alright, I'm back up.
Like that to me?
I'm fucking dead, my guy. You already know, man. I'm gonna get my whip. I'm gonna get my whip in like 2 weeks. I'm gonna get a G-Wagon. G-Wagon. G-Wagon, 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 G-Wagon. I'm pulling up. I got a lot of sauce. And I look fucking ugly, bro. But Monday, I'm gonna be up and rolling, my guy. And I have to wait 3 weeks to smoke again. But I'm gonna wait 3 weeks to smoke. And when I'm about to smoke, I'm gonna roll a big ass blunt in live. Because I don't give a fuck.
A big ass.
A big ass blunt on live. Don't give a fuck. Alright, I love you guys. Thanks for checking up with me. Just wait. And that bitch is getting a lot.